Animals are full of surprises. From tiny insects to giant whales, the animal kingdom is bursting with fascinating curiosities. Here are some amazing and fun facts about animals that will make you see them in a whole new way. Elephants never forget. Elephants have incredible memories. They can remember water sources, migration routes, and other elephants' faces, even after many years. This helps them survive in harsh environments. Butterflies taste with their feet. They use them to test if a leaf is good to lay eggs on and good for their caterpillars to eat later. Parrots can imitate human speech. Parrots don't just mimic sounds, they can understand meanings and use words in context. Some, like the African grey parrot, have vocabularies of over 100 words. Penguins propose with pebbles. Male penguins pick the smoothest, most perfect pebble they can find and present it to a female as a gift. If she accepts, it's like a penguin marriage proposal. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans. Both giraffes and humans have 7 neck vertebrae. Giraffe bones are just much longer. Koalas have fingerprints like humans. A koala's fingerprints are so similar to a human's that even scientists using microscopes can have trouble telling them apart. Clownfish can change gender. All clownfish are born male, but the most dominant one in a group can turn female to take charge of the colony. It's the same species as in Finding Nemo. Sea turtles always return home. Female sea turtles travel thousands of kilometers but always return to the exact beach where they were born to lay their eggs, guided by Earth's magnetic field. Bees can recognize human faces. Bees can remember and recognize human faces, just like we do, which helps them identify friendly people who protect their hives. Sloths are super slow, but great swimmers sloths move slowly on land, about 0.2 miles per hour. But in water they can swim 3 times faster and hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. A rhino's horn is made of hair. It looks like bone, but a rhino's horn is made of keratin, the same material as your hair and nails. Some frogs can freeze. Solid wood frogs in Alaska can freeze completely in winter. Their hearts stop and they appear dead. When spring arrives, they thaw out and hop away as if nothing happened. Cows have best friends. Cows form close friendships and can become stressed when separated from their favorite companions. Blue whales are the largest animals ever. Blue whales can reach 30 meters, 100 feet long, and weigh over 180 tons. Their tongues alone can weigh as much as an elephant. Flamingos are not pink, they are born grey. Their diet of brine, shrimp, and blue-green algae contains a natural pink dye called canthaxanthin that makes their feathers pink. Flamingos in zoos often lost their colouring until zookeepers supplemented their diets. The inland taipan, also known as the western taipan, is the most venomous snake in the world. A single bite contains enough venom to kill at least 100 fully grown men and can kill within just 30 minutes if left untreated. They very rarely ever come in contact with humans, however. Every reliable identification of a snakebite victim from an inland taipan have been herpetologists when handling or studying the snakes. They have all survived due to successful treatment with antivenom. The world's deadliest animal isn't a shark, bear or tiger, but something far smaller, the mosquito. According to the World Health Organization, 725,000 people are killed each year from mosquito-borne diseases, such as malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever. Mosquito outnumber every other animal in the world, apart from ants and termites. They can also be found in nearly every part of the world, which all add up in the risk they pose to humans. The shortest living animal in the world is the mayfly. Its entire adult lifespan is just 24 HRs. The mayfly reproduces and then dies during that short 24 hours period of life. Some species of mayfly only live for 8-10 hours. Although they have the shortest adult lifespan, they actually exist as a nymph in water from 3-7 years, depending on species. Koalas can sleep for up to 22 hours a day. Koala need more sleep than most animals because their diet of eucalyptus leaves contain toxins, are very low in nutrition, and high in fibrous matter. So they take a large amount of energy to digest. Even after having its head cut off, a cockroach can still live for weeks. A common garden snail has 14,000 teeth. Their microscopic teeth are called radula, and some species actually have over 20,000 teeth. The giant Pacific octopus has 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood. They are also able to change their color and texture to camouflage themselves in a blink of an eye. An ostrich legs are so powerful that their kicks can kill a lion or a human. Each 2-toed foot has a long, sharp claw, making them formidable weapons. Animals often end up running away from the ostrich. Koalas have fingerprints almost identical to human. It is so hard to distinguish between the fingerprints of koalas and humans that even under a microscope it is hard to tell. There are even reported cases of a koala's fingerprints confusing forensics at crime scenes. Sheep can recognize faces. As social animals, sheep are capable of recognizing familiar and unfamiliar faces. Studies even suggest that they miss other sheep when they are taken away for a long time afterwards. Elephants mourn their dead. Elephants will return to the place where family members died and stand in silence over the bones, sometimes bowing their heads. Bees have 5 eyes, 2 at the front, like a fly, and 3 smaller eyes, like a spider. The 3 ocelli eyes on the top of its head detect light, so the bee can sense if it's being approached by a predator.